Good afternoon, everyone. For the first slide, I would like to introduce you to Indorama Ventures, a world-class chemical company dedicated to sustainability. We are global leading in PET and fiber industrial with an integrated supply chain serving diverse end-use markets. Indorama's journey began as Thailand's first producer of russet wool yarn. Within just 15 years, we grew to become the largest polyester fiber and PET manufacturer in the country. Through the strategic international acquisitions in the USA and Europe, Indorama expanded its footprint globally, emerging as the leader in the PET market and a key player in PTA production. By following our core strategies, we continuously develop innovative products that meet consumer needs and contribute to creating great products for society. In the second slide, let's discuss the challenge of supply and demand that affect our operations, starting with supply constraint with raw material availability. Procuring essential material like PTA and MEG can be challenging due to complex supply chain and trade disruptions. Number 2. Energy cost and availability. Our industry is heavily energy dependent, and fluctuating energy costs pose significant challenge. Number 3. Logistics and transportation. Efficiency transportation of raw material and finishing products to global markets require highly optimized system. Number 4. Environmental and safety control. Meeting stringent regulatory requirements for sustainability and safety is crucial for our operations. Moving to demand constraints. Number 1. Market cycle and consumer behavior. Volatility in the market demand is something we need to navigate carefully. Number 2. Global economic condition. Shift in the global economy significantly influence purchasing decisions. Number 3. Competition with other companies. We face strong competition and must adopt strategies to stay ahead in the market. Number 4. Sustainability demands. Customer and partner increasingly expect eco-friendly and sustainable products. Number 5. Capacity utilization. Balancing production capacity with market demand is essential for maintaining operational effectively. These are some of the key challenges we face, and we continuously adapt to address them and ensure that we meet consumer expectations effectively.
And for the stakeholder of the Indorama polyester industry, we have communities, supply and contractor, media bankers, and government and regulatory bodies, employee, investor, and customers.
For the suppliers, they provide raw materials like petrochemicals, resins, and recycled materials, such as SABIC, ExxonMobil, Reliance Industries, Dow Chemical, CNPC, and Indorama Ventures serves a wide range of industries, including packaging like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or Nestle, and textile like Nike, Adidas, or H&M.
Evaluation of safety. Strict safety measures controls access to production zones areas, checks and maintains machines as a status. Strict controls of 6 people from entertaining production. Visual management system. Dashboards for displays, production rates, safety statistics. Standards visuals. Graphs and color codes are used across plants and facilities for uniforms understandings. Performance board. Daily or weekly performance boards to display progress, upcoming tasks, and challenges. Visual controls. System for inventory management assures materials as and variables when needs without over.
Inventory levels, raw materials, WIP, finished goods. Inventory level recent. In the third quarter of 2024 financial performance, Indorama Ventures reported an adjusted EBITDA of $427 million, a 32% year-over-year increase. This improvement was attributed to steady volumes and enhanced industry spreads. The company also focused on optimizing assets and reducing fixed costs, which likely influenced inventory levels and turnover.
Raw materials managed by sourcing key input like PTA, MEG, and recycled PET through strategic partnership and long-term agreement. Buffer stocks are maintained to mitigate supply chain disruption, while sustainability goals are supported by integrating recycled material into production. This ensures a steady supply of high-quality raw materials while reducing dependency on virgin resources. Work in process or WIP. Indorama Venture manage work in process inventory by using lean manufacturing principles to minimize holding time and optimize production flow. Real-time tracking tools are employed to monitor production stage, ensuring efficient process and minimizing bottlenecks. This approach enhances overall operational efficiency and reduces the accumulation of semi-finished goods. And the finished good, Indorama Ventures manage finished good inventory by aligning product production with customer demand forecast to minimize overstocking. Regional distribution centers ensure efficiency delivery, while inventory levels are regularly adjusted to reflect market conditions, optimizing both availability and supply chain efficiency.
Use of space within the factory movement or flow of materials. When they finish our process and get a product, they packed a rPET in a jumbo bag for 1,000 kilograms in many bags. Then they sent to Rayong province from Nakhon Pathom by a truck to make a next process. They need to pay a cost to transport product and have a backhaul, so they lost an opportunity to make a more.
So this slide is about human resource management. When bottle pass through plastic bottle separation machine, they use 4 people to observe and separate some bottle that cannot use recycle or misuse because it has some impurity. Because impurity may not go up from the bottles. This process is the end of separate process, so they need to use teamwork to prevent mistake for good quality of product. Next one is maintenance of machinery and equipment. They need to stop all process in the factory to maintenance. Need 4 hours to do a maintenance. During 4 hours, employees do a maintenance. Example 1. Regular inspections, cleaning, and servicing of equipment to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Example 2. Repairing equipment that has broken down.
And for the management of complexity and variability, Indorama Ventures manage complexity and variability through a combination of flexible manufacturing process, advanced data analytics, and a global supply chain network to handle a fluctuation in raw material price, demand shift, and market conditions. The company employs a robust forecasting and inventory management system. This enables them to quickly adapt to change, reduce the lead time, and maintain consistent product quality. Additionally, by leveraging lean manufacturing and continuous improvement initiatives, Indorama minimizes the inefficiency and maximizes the operational resilience in the face of external disruption.